Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I get asked often if I would show live trading with the SpyBot, and this morning I went ahead and recorded it. I don't actually do live trading in front of people. To be quite honest, it makes me nervous doing it, and I ended up making moves that I shouldn't. So I don't do actual live trading. Sometimes I will with a group of a few people or so, but usually I don't. I went ahead and recorded this morning. To set this up, I made the settings on this yesterday to make it work for our open and how it could work. And I went over, there's rules to this. It's not just turn it on, let it run. There's some rules to it. And there's a chance you're going to lose money. But if you follow the rules, there's a good chance that you may not. But with any trade, there's risk of losing or making money. It's up to you to do it. One thing I do is I find settings that seem to work, and then we go ahead and run them. So on this one, I'm going to go ahead and play this back. This is a video, I recorded it, and I'll just narrate through it. And what I'm looking for is I have my stop ready to go. And the reason I do is if it goes down, I want to be able to bring my stop down quicker and to secure profits. And you'll see during this trade, that's what I do. Now the bot would actually have closed out exactly the same place that I would have. But when you're messing with your live money and so forth, you're better off to go ahead and run this bot to where you can secure the profits. But you'll see that when the stop comes down, that's where I put my stop is where the bot actually would have put the stop as well. So this is a SuperTrend bot, and I never traded any of that in the past. This is an open only, and during this open, there's certain time frames and so forth that I give to the SpyBot users. I don't give it to the public, but the SpyBot users, there's certain settings that we're going to use on the SuperTrend, a certain chart that we are going to use in time frame. And this one is set up to trade 4 contracts. So you're looking $4,000 trade. This is NQ. And so we're looking at a $4,000 trade. And you do have some drawdown on it. So you have to have an account that will be able to manage that. Your drawdown can be as much as $1,500 at times. But what you're looking for is the direction of the move. And that's what we're looking at here. So the bell's getting ready to, the bell's already gone, and now the volumes come in a little bit, and you'll see that it starts selling off. There it goes. And what I'm doing is I'm bringing my stop down. You don't have to do this, but I prefer to do it. It's the way I trade and it's the way I teach. But the Ranger indicator lets me know that the price is probably going to sell off when it gets below that yellow line. That's what we're looking for, and that's where it's going to sell off. Now, I got in earlier because that's when the SuperTrend decided to get in, and it actually had the drawdown, like I said, but then you'll see here in a second that the trade goes my way and favors me quite a bit. On this particular strategy, we use it as a one trade, and you can keep on trading it and sometimes make a lot more money. I don't use it that way. I use it as a one trade. So there we took 2 contracts out. So now we're up 391.84 less commission plus unrealized. Now we're up 882.76, and I brought my stop down there. But as you can see down here at the bottom, you will see that those little dots where my stop went out is where the bot would have actually taken the trade out anyway. So I actually got out about probably 2 or 3 ticks before the bot would have. So been about the same money. So it's $1,213.68 is what I made on this. You can see it's a live account. It's over on the right. You can see the account name, and it actually works really well. This particular strategy is one that I will run probably daily, and I have other bots that I use, and so it's kind of hard to run every strategy that we have all the time because there's only so much time you can do. But the lease on the bots, let me show you a little bit about that. So if you go into the, let's see here. Actually, let's see. We're going to open this up a little more and open that up a little more. There we go. So if you come up here to the SpyBot Auto Trading Bot, and this is where you would go to find out information about it. I give quite a bit on here and to explain everything. It is a lease. This is one of the videos where I traded it on Sunday night. This was trading the Ranger bot. The other one was the SuperTrend bot. This is the Ranger bot here. But you can watch that. I'm going to go ahead and include this video inside of this as well so you can see it. And you can also trade this on your funding account if you have Apex or UProfit or whichever. And I'm going to put a, I've got 2 coupon codes. I got one for Apex and I got one for the UProfit. UProfit's 40% off this month, so it's a really good deal. This one's 50% off. And both of them work really well. Here's some pictures of different trades that the bots have made. And it does have losing trades. I mean, you can see right there's a losing trade. And you come down to the bottom, there's 2 ways to do this. You can lease the bot only and set it up yourself, which is pretty easy to do. You don't really need my help. A lot of people choose to do that, and if they want my help, then you pay this $400 setup fee. It takes a couple hours to get through it. Once we get through it, I video everything so that you can rewatch the video and know what I did and so forth. So I log into your computer and do that. So if you need that, it's $400 extra. If you want, you can try the $1,000, and if you get to where you can't get it set up, then you just come back in, buy this, and then I will set it up for you. The VIP membership's $199 a month, but when you lease the bot, you get that as well. With the VIP membership, this is probably the best deal on the internet, in my opinion. The VIP membership, you get all of this stuff down through here, which means anything but one course on my website is going to be free to you for $199 a month. It is a monthly recurring fee, so you'll pay the $199 a month, but you also get 20% off on any of the indicators that I have on here. I do not give the discount on the SpyBot lease, but if you do lease the bot, which is, in my opinion, the best thing, you get all of the VIP services for free. So you're really getting the bot for $800 and the VIP for $200. So it's a really good deal for you. We get live training. You can read all this through here. I do live training every week, usually 3 to 5 times a week. I'll do live training, and it'll either be not always on VIP, but the SpyBot I do usually 2 to 3 days on it, and I'll split up and do 2 to 3 days on the VIP. Right now we're covering future options, and that is what we're going over. I do record everything and put it on the website for the VIP members to access, and any videos I do for the SpyBot, I record those and post those on the SpyBot courses. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm sure that this will work out for you. You can go right here to funded account, and the funded account, that's where you can sign up for Apex. I'm also going to go ahead and add UProfit on here as well. UProfit changed their rules, and now UProfit, in my opinion, is a good one to do as well. The Apex long term is going to be your best one because they only take 10% of your money. UProfit takes 20%, but UProfit, you can get your money real fast. With Apex, it's going to take you about 6 months. If you go through the valuation in 10 days and you don't mess up, it will take you about 6 months to go ahead and get paid for all the money. They give you a little bit every month, but before you can get all your money, it's about 6 months. With Apex, you're going to get, or with UProfit, you're going to get paid. Actually, you can get paid in a month. So depending on what you do with it. So if you're looking for faster money, the UProfit would be better, but you're only going to get 80% of your money, where you get 90% of Apex. They're both really good. The drawdown on UProfit, in my opinion, is a little bit better because it's a daily drawdown. So you can't lose more than $2,200 per day, whereas if you do the $150,000 account in Apex, you can lose $5,000 and be fine. But Apex, as soon as you get a max, then the drawdown starts from there. With UProfit, it's at the end of the day. Whatever your balance is at the end of the day is where your drawdown is. So if you made $10,000 on UProfit and then lost $6,000 and you still were $4,000 green, you would still be okay on UProfit, whereas Apex, you would blow your account. So there's the difference. But if you have any questions, let me know. You can also come up to the contact page. When you go to the contact page, fill this out. I'm the one that gets the emails. Fill that out. If you want to talk to me about this, put a message in there that you would like to speak to me. Make sure your phone number's up there and the good time of day to contact you, and then I'll try to work it in my schedule to get in touch with you. I usually answer these emails within a few minutes, sometimes a little longer, but I'm really quick about my customer support as far as contacting people, and if you have any issues, I'm really good about getting it taken care of quickly. There is no waiting forever for someone to contact you. Let me know if there's anything I can do for you. I'd love to be able to partner up with you and allow you to come into our SpyBot family or our VIP and start learning how to trade futures a lot better. Have a great day. Let me know if I can do anything for you.